Hi, welcome to Zappy. Here we are receiving lots of inquiry for regarding changing our combination lock, how to change this one, how to reset password, or how to reset this numbers. We are receiving lots of questions, so I will show you how to change this password, secret password for your luggage. This is PP luggage. If your lock is like this, it is very easy to change. I will show you. This is my password 400. After setting this password, it is very easy. Just pull out, this will be open. Okay, so if I'm changing like this, it will be open. It is very difficult to open. Okay, so I will show you how to reset. Now it is 044400. Okay, first you just come to your default password. It is always 000 and open, and after that there is a one small button. Can you hear? Can you please zoom it here? There is a small button, just press. Then after that you write somewhere which password you want to reset. So now I'm going to change this password 500. Now it is a 400. Now I'm going to change 500. Then you just pull 500. Okay, then this small button is still, it is there in inside. So after changing, you just pull, then it will come out. Okay, then again it is just, then it is changed. That's enough. It is changed. Now you can reset. You already reset. Now it is password is 500. If you're changing to another, it will be open. Now it is not able to open. I should come to 500 again. Okay, now it is open. So nothing it is there. Just come to your default 00 and just press here in this red button with any pen or needle or something. Then after that changing, it just pull down. That's it. Okay, thank you guys.